Bonsoir, good evening, buonasera a tutti. Permettetemi di dire così un breve saluto ai graditi ospiti. Bienvenue amis français, welcome to our friends from North Ireland, Germany and Turkey. We are pleased to have you in our area. I am the bishop of this area, the religious responsible for the Roman Catholic Church. And the day after tomorrow, you will come to our town, Melfi, and will visit the Episcopal Palace. It's a museum. I live in a museum. I'm the guardian of the museum. But you will see the history of our area. And if you see me, I look like a normal person, like you. But I am a disabled person, which means we all have different abilities. That's why I'm pleased that the program of including everybody is very, very important, because we make one big country, which is our world, but focusing on our Europe. You know that Pescopagano, 20 centuries ago, was a military camp of the Romans, and the Romans reached Turkey, Germany, and well, I don't know if they went to North Ireland. No, but they started a little bit before, and we have so many things in common with your countries. I've been in Turkey, Cappadocia, which has been the crib of the Christianity. And of course, Germany, North Ireland, which is Catholic 90% or more. And of course, France. We not only share our faith, but we also share our culture. We have so many things in common, and we have to really teach people that being together, including even minorities, is something beautiful. Because when you see a puzzle or a mosaic, and all the little stones from different colors together, they make a beautiful picture, a beautiful design. Ho detto che, beh, in